Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look at a common problem. Frigidaire stand-up freezer keeps beeping and I will show you what you can do to fix it. The beeping is normal, it's a freezer alerting you to change that could affect food safety. If food are thawed or a risk, move to another freezer or add ice to keep it safe while you are troubleshooting. First, let's understand what actually caused the problem. Step 1, check the door. Make sure the door is completely closed. Check temperature. The temperature may be too warm. Check the power outage. Check it power was out recently. Check the lock control. If lock control is on, the display may beep when the button are pressed. Look for a lock icon on the control panel. Check alarm indicator. Let the fridge run for several hours. The alarm will stop once the temperature is back to normal. Check sensor. A faulty temperature probe sensor can cause constant beeping. You may need a technical to replace the bad sensor. Step 7, reset the freezer. If the alarm would not stop, try resetting the freezer. This can clear a false alarm or error. Unplug the freezer for 5 minutes, then plug it back the temperature again. If beeping stop, the freezer will has reached the correct temperature. The door is closed properly. No alarm condition are detected for several minutes. The alarm will automatically close. If it is still beeping, if you have tried all the steps above, the freezer keep beeping, made the error code in the display, the temperature probe or control board may be faulty. Contact Frigidaire customer support or a qualified technical. You can also call on this number for more details and tap to the link below for more detailed guidelines. Let's check the official website for more details and information. This is the official website. For more help and more detailed, please check before any others technician. I hope this explanation helped you. If you found it helpful and useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more troubleshooting video.